Hello everyone, welcome to Greensboro, North Carolina, home of Carolina Aircraft. My name is Shayla Brill and I am very excited to show you this beautiful, low time, prime condition G36 Bonanza, November 5-7 Papa Lima. So many things that I'm excited to tell you about today, so let's go ahead and take a look. So this airplane has 670 hours since factory new on your airframe, your engine, and also on your 3-blade hot prop to get you out of inadvertent icing conditions. Your engine is going to be your IO 550 300 horsepower Continental. As you can see, this airplane has been beautifully maintained. We'll cruise at about 170 to 175. It has 74 gallons of usable fuel. That is going to be roughly about 4 hours plus reserves, which is close to 800 statute miles in range to get you to your business and dream destinations. So the exterior on November 5-7 Papa Lima is in excellent, outstanding condition. You can tell that it's always been hangared. Beautiful paint scheme. I think she is absolutely stunning. It's Matterhorn white overall with black and Tibetan gold metallic stripes. And of course, we love that this aircraft has these large double cargo doors. We have the club seating. Front seats can actually be reversed facing forward. The back seats are actually removable altogether for more leg room. To remove the seat, you're just going to pull forward on this bar, removing 2 pins without any tools necessary, and the seats can come right out. So come on in and check out this beautiful interior. We have these gorgeous tan leather seats, carpet, sidewalls, and headliner, all like new condition. We have this executive writing desk, looks brand new to me. 4 cup holders up here. We have the G&D tinted window inserts, 6-place intercom system, and shoulder harnesses for each passenger. I'm a fairly tall person, 5'7". I have plenty of headspace, plenty of legroom. It's beautiful back here and very comfortable. So let's take a look at the flight deck on November 5-7 Papa Lima. She has a beautiful Garmin G1000 fully integrated glass panel with Garmin GFC 700 autopilot, flight control system with altitude and vertical speed pre-select, and yaw damp. She also comes with synthetic vision, WAAS, ADS-B, active traffic, XM weather with music, and TAWS-B terrain awareness. Some extra features you'll appreciate: safe taxi, factory air conditioning, chart view, rose and sun visors, G&D tinted window inserts, co-pilot brakes, LED landing light, rear cabin music input, B&C standby alternator, and much more. Thank you for taking a look at this beautiful aircraft with me today. If you're in the market for a G36, you can come check her out for yourself. We are located in Greensboro, North Carolina, Carolina Aircraft, and as always, Bonanza School is included with the price of the aircraft because we want you to feel safe and comfortable in your new to you G36. I'm Shayla Brill. Thank you so much for watching.